want to ask you one question.
Tell me.
Who told you that you can't have fun here?
No one. We have mad fun here.
This is the best camp I've been to at so far.
It's the best camp. Did you hear that? Enjoy. Have a good time.
Yeah, you too. I hope you have a great night.
Amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you have an amazing night so
Yes,
far?
It's a very, very, very nice camp. Very nice party.
How you feeling?
Amazing.
Are you liking it so far?
Yeah, it's really good.
First time I Catch The Flava?
Yeah, it's great. It's really
You liking the party?
Yeah. So good. Okay, hello. Hello again.
What's up? Let's go! This is Catch The Flava! It's Spanish flavor! Woo!
Hi. I'm on the Catch The Flava camp. Woohoo! It's the best party on the air.
Cool vibe! Everyone dance! So good! It looks like the party is here. It's right here, the party, right? Yeah, man. How you feeling?
Yo, we have a crazy couple right there dancing. We're gonna check what they think about the party. Yo, guys. Yo, what do you think about the party? Do you like the party? Do you like the party?
Yeah, the party is great.
Yo, she love it.
Yes, I do.
What's good, Lee Rock? Having a good time, bro?
Hey, hell yeah, we having a good time here, baby.
How you feeling it?
I'm feeling it.
How you liking Catch The Flava? Yeah, I'm right here, bro.
Feeling it.
I love Catch The Flava.
If you're not here, you're not anywhere. This is hip hop, baby. Catch the flavor. Yeah. Yo, check it out, y'all.
Yes. 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 Thank you.